Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox pants. First, ensure you have Roblox Studio installed and an image editing software like Photoshop or GIMP ready. Familiarize yourself with the Roblox interface, especially the Create section. Understanding the basic tools and navigation will be crucial for a smooth design process. We'll cover the essential steps to get your creative journey started, making sure you're well prepared for the next stages of design and upload. Next, you'll need to download the official Roblox pants template, which is a two-dimensional image. Open this template in your chosen image editor. Design your pants carefully, paying close attention to the distinct sections for the front, back, and sides of the legs. Remember that the template wraps around a three-dimensional avatar, so ensure your patterns and details align perfectly. Precision here is key to a professional-looking final product. Once your design is complete, save it as a PNG file with transparent backgrounds. Head over to the Roblox Create page and upload your new pants. You'll then set a name, description, and the Robux price for your creation. After uploading, it's vital to test your pants on a Roblox avatar in-game. This allows you to check for any stretching, misalignments, or unexpected appearances, ensuring they look fantastic on various body types. To truly succeed, focus on creating unique and high-quality designs that stand out. Experiment with different styles and themes to appeal to a wider audience. Consider how your pants will look on various Roblox body types, ensuring a good fit for everyone. Don't forget to promote your creations through social media or Roblox groups. Continuously refine your skills and seek feedback to become a top Roblox fashion designer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.